What's going on, guys? For today's video we have a BB Simon unboxing, and this video is brought to you by TikTok because someone did ask me to make another video regarding my BB Simon belt. My BB Simon videos are some of my most popular videos on this channel, so someone wanted me to buy another one as more of like, I can't remember what he said, maybe if I can find the comment I will throw it up on the screen right now, a more like updated version of it because things are a little bit different from before when ordering it. If you do not count a single holiday, like no holidays at all, I'm talking like a regular Tuesday of the week you order a belt, I'm going to talk you through what goes on now when ordering a BB Simon belt. I have had many issues in the past where a belt would arrive broken or damaged or something like that, but they have corrected it every single time. It's only been 2 times, but I've only ordered 5 belts. This will be my 6th belt I've ever ordered from BB Simon. So now I haven't opened this one yet, so with the past 5, 2 of them have arrived damaged, so not looking too good for me, but like I said, they do fix it anytime like that. However, nowadays when ordering the belt, you used to have a signature required when ordering it, and that is still to this day. However, they are a lot more strict, at least where I am. I don't know if this is because of BB Simon or who they're shipping it from, and I think I already covered up the label so you couldn't see my address, so I want to say it was UPS, but I'm unsure, but I think it was UPS. Anyways, they do not allow you to release the signature online, so you actually have to be like at your house physically. Like sometimes you could write on a note like, hey, I'm here, you can drop it off. They would do that, or you could even do it on the app or online, but now you cannot do that. You have to be over the age of 21 to sign for the belt, which makes absolutely no sense to me. It's literally a belt, it's not alcohol, so I have no idea why this is even a thing. Who knows? Anyways, let's just get right into the unboxing and I'll talk more about the story. Alright, so I'm gonna have to strategically open this or just blur it out because I didn't realize they put my address like all over the box. But anyway, so like I was saying, when I just ordered this, it took forever because I'm not home like almost ever. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to definitely blur this out real quick. But yeah, so I'm like never home. So the first attempt, obviously I missed it and they left the thing on there. Before they even delivered it, the first attempt, I already tried releasing online and they just would not let it happen. Once I got the slip or whatever, I was waiting for the next day. I knew I couldn't be home again. So unfortunately I missed it the second time. So I tried calling them. I tried calling UPS, not BB Simon. So I tried calling them and I was like, please can you release it? And they said there was nothing they could do. Someone like actually has to be there. So the third day, the UPS driver actually called me because he was like, hey, are you home? And I actually was. He's like, okay, stay there. I'm about to be there with the package because I actually know all the drivers. That was super clutch of them. They were able to drop it off and I was able to get it, but it took forever. Like I could have had this belt like 3 days earlier, but unfortunately, oh yeah, these are the new tins. These things are sick. I don't even know what this is. This is so sick. I've never gotten that before. Hold on, let me finish my story before I say this. So yeah, I could have got this belt like way sooner, but they just make it so difficult now to get it. I don't understand why you have to be 21 or why you like actually have to be there to sign for it. Like you can't do anything about it. And what's even more annoying is BB Simon charges, I'm pretty sure, around $30 for shipping. If you're gonna charge that much money, why do you make it this hard to actually get the belt? That just seems stupid in my opinion. Let's just jump into this and I'll jump more into that. Here is the new container. This one is sick. I actually do have another container like this from a previous belt that I ordered, but I believe these are like the newer ones. Then once you open it up right here, we get this, I don't even know what this is. Like this is like a, what is this called? Plexiglass or something, I think is what this is called. I'm not hip, but yeah, this is sick. BB Simon right there with the USA, bunch of fingerprints on it, but that could have been because of me. I'm pretty sure I could easily clean that off. I'm gonna put this up on my shelf or somewhere. Then let's open this and see what we got here. So I've been buying these belts for a few years now, and I don't believe they used to have the dust bags like this. So this is cool to see how you got the nice BB Simon on it. I mean, the belt is like 400 bucks. You would hope they're going a little bit above and beyond. Then you pull it out, and I did get this pink one. I am unsure of the exact name, but every time I've bought a belt, people keep asking me in the comments what it is. So this time I'll remember to link it in the description down below, as well as throw a picture up on screen so you can see it. Now I'm also going to try to give some close-up shots, so don't worry, I will be doing that, but I'm also going to show you to the camera like this. So here we got the BB Simon hang tag. This looks to be about the same as it used to always be. Now let's unravel this. Hopefully it is not broken as before, but this one looks like in pristine condition. Looks super sick. So here we go. We got these embellishments going all crazy with the pink diamonds as well as the silver studded ones. Here's the little end of it. That thing looks crazy. I just love the little pink on there as well. And then here is the buckle, but I'm gonna try to get some close-ups of that. Now I always get a 34. I usually wear about a 30 or a 32 in my pants, like waist size, but I do go up to a 34, and every single time it is not It has never done me wrong. That's what ends up fitting me. So if you're looking for sizing recommendations, that's what I would recommend. They also recommend you go up one pant size, and they actually will send you a text to verify that's the size that you want, because these are all made to order. Don't worry, they're gonna text you. You can actually talk to them. I think the first text is automated, but then you could talk to like a real person if you have many questions. It's super simple. I wouldn't obviously not wear it with these pants, but yeah, this should fit. I'm just gonna see. Yeah, it's gonna fit for sure. Yeah, obviously I wouldn't wear it with these pants, but I just want to make sure that it would fit. So yeah, as before, they all just like fit the exact same. So if you get one belt and it fits you fine, you could definitely get more BB Simons in that. And I've never had any sizing differences that I can remember, at least. But actually, now that I just said that, I feel like maybe I have. Not that I can remember. All mines are 34. They all fit me completely fine. Like I said, I wear a 30 or a 32. Just depends on what day of the week it is in my pants waist size. So yeah, this belt is sick. I did go for a little bit of a crazier one, because I already have like a black one. I already have like a white one, which are more of like a subtle wear, but this one I feel like is crazy. Like, it's pink. You can't wear it with every single outfit, but I wanted a belt like that. This could like elevate some of my outfits, like when I wanted to wear this pink one, because like, yeah, this is just crazy. I love this one. It looks sick. I probably will get roasted heavily in the comments, but you know, I'm ready for it. Let me know in the comments how much you hate this belt or how much you like this belt. So there's not really like too much more to say. Like, I am going to be trying to do more close-ups so you can see it and like just show off like different parts of the belt and like how sick this thing really is. But there's really not much more I can do. I mean, I only got one item, so I mean, I can't really show off more unless you guys do want to see like the tin again. Like, I think this is sick. I wish I had the older tins, but I think when I sold some of my older belt, I ended up selling the tin with it, so I don't really have any older tins to like show with this one. But this one is way cooler. I like this one a lot. I have seen like pink ones in the past that were pretty cool. I think my Supreme one came in like a black one, but I only got the collar. Anyways, these things are so sick. I just love all the amount of the packaging that goes into it. But again, like, you're paying like $400 sometimes for a belt, so you would hope they did something like this. I just wish they could fix that shipping issue. If anyone is having any issues like that as well, let me know. I want to hear like what you guys had to do, what happened. Were you able to get the belt? Did you have to go somewhere to go get it? Like, what was the story? I want to know what happened to you guys if you have ordered before. So lastly, to recap for the video, if you are not going to be home like 25/8 of the week and to get this belt, it's almost scary to order it, because for me, it would go to like the access point, which is like 40 minutes away from where I live. So that would suck, because like, you're already gonna have to wait an extra 3 days for them to miss every single attempt for the delivery if you're not home. Then you're gonna drive another far away. You mean, you could live right next to it, so that would be clutch for you, but then I'd have to go wait like another day basically to go pick it up. It's just a mess. Just be careful with that. And to my knowledge, there is no way to release a signature, and there is no way to have BB Simon not do that. If something different has happened to you guys, please let me know, because I am curious. And then yeah, I would go up a size in your pants. Like, they already do recommend that on like the belt. You'll be looking, I'm pretty sure it says it right there, that they recommend you to go up one pant size, as well as they will send you a text. So don't worry about sizing. Nothing but good things to say about them, because anytime a belt has arrived damaged, they come in clutch and they send me a repair kit or whatever the case may be. So I hope you did enjoy this video. I hope this answered some questions. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask them. I will try to reply to all of them. Basically, if it's a YouTube comment, I reply to almost everything. You could send me an Instagram DM, so I will put my Instagram on screen right now. You can follow me at Chandler Sutton. I will try to reply there, but it's a lot harder for me to reply there because I get so many messages. But if you want to put a comment, I will try to respond to everything to help you guys out when ordering a belt. This video is not sponsored at all by BB Simon. I wish it was, but like I said, someone did ask me to make the video, so I will deliver. So if you did enjoy this video, I have a bunch of other BB Simon videos. If you want to check those out, I'll link those down below or in one of the cards. I don't know where it shows up. And I also have a bunch of other hypebeast related content if you want to check that out. So make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with any of my newer videos, and then make sure you drop a like, and like I said, drop a comment. I love to talk it up with you guys. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out.